Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create QR code for Facebook profile. So after watching this video you are able to do this work perfectly. So now I'm going on my Facebook profile, then click on this menu, then click on this three menu. Just go here, then copy profile link. Just copy profile link. You can see this is here. Then go to google.com, then charge of QR code generator. So I click second one. You can choose any website, this doesn't matter. You can see here is a first of all you are create QR code for URL. Just paste here your key link, then okay, it's already generated. So here is a lots of design QR code you are also able to download. So I choose the use logos, create a dynamic QR code. Okay, this good. If I click here, okay, I paste my Facebook profile link. Just click on now download, then again click on PNG download. Okay, you can see I create this QR code using a free method for my Facebook profile. So if you are on to transfer like this one, so this is the same method. Go to download button, then again click on your ratio image size 200 pixel and any others. So if you choose 200 pixel, this is a paid, but I want to download for free. Just 1000 pixel are free. So just click on download. Okay, it is only again downloaded on my mobile phone. So this is a method you can create QR code for Facebook profile. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this for next video. See you again, take care, goodbye.